Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to find the intersection in here and here. So we will have about s squared equals to the square root of s. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. So s we put on the left. Then we can do about factorization. So we have two solutions. S equal to number 0 and the second one s to the power of 3 minus 1 equals to number 0. So we will put about number 1. Negative number 1 go to the right and we have positive number 1. And that means we have s equals to number 1. So this point in here is about s equals to number 1 and number 0. So after we find this intersection, we look on the graph. We see that the square root of s above than s squared in here from 0 to number 1. So if we set up about the area, we need to put the bounds from 0 to number 1. We see that the square root of s above than s squared in here. So the square root of s will go first. Later that we need to minus about s squared ds. And now we need to calculate about this integration. The square root of s we will change for s to the power of 1 over 2. This one we keep the same. The integration of s to the power of 1 over 2, we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1. About s squared, we have s to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. And now we put the bounds in here. From 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 gone here. Number 0 gone here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate and we got about 1 over 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.